Babes, another day in Jamaica, another murder, another entertainer, another person associated with the dancehall fraternity has lost his life. This time, Corey Mineral Boss Jones was shot and killed at his home in Caymanas Bay, St. Catherine, Tuesday morning. Boy, may I tell you. Entertainer Corey Mineral Boss shot dead in Caymanas Bay. The entertainment fraternity is mourning the death of dancehall artist Cleon Corey Mineral Boss Jones, who was shot and killed Tuesday morning at his home in Caymanas Bay, located close to the mineral bath in St. Catherine. No one deserves to die that way. He was shot in front of his home, Tawana Jones, the wife of the artist and owner of Mineral Boss Records, said. A woman was also shot and injured in her hand during the incident. Corey recently shot a video for the breakout single Breakthrough featuring Ioctane. The single, which was produced by Mineral Boss Records on the Daylight Rhythm, was one of the singles featured on Corey's Vision EP, which was released August 18th and distributed by J1 the 21st Distribution. Corey's EP is out, and we had a show booked for him to perform on December the 30th in New York City, a show dubbed Breakthrough, the first dancehall Met Gala, Mrs. Jones said. Corey Jones was the chief executive officer of the independent label Mineral Boss Records, and his wife vowed to continue with the label's work. The label will continue to be run by me, his wife, and we will continue to put out positive music. Corey's vision and memory will live on, she said. Mineral Boss Records has built up a solid reputation as an indie label powerhouse in many years. The label prides itself on producing positive music and exposing creative talent, especially artists in and around its community. This strategy has paid dividends. Last year, Mineral Boss Records scored a smash #1 hit with Mavada's Progress on the Money Boss Rhythm. The song is featured on DJ Khaled's Major Keys album, which topped the Billboard album charts late last year. We shall overcome this tragedy. He did not deserve to die like that because he always strives to put out a positive energy and message. I would like to thank the people who have offered their prayers and well wishes during this difficult time, she added.
Beat and teach, so beat and teach, so beat and teach, 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 beat and teach.
You know them say you never really see smoke without fire, and it begs the question, what is happening with these dancehall artists? I mean, how many of them has lost their lives since the start of this year? I've done a video on the channel a couple of months back where I looked at most of the dancehall artists or entertainers in Jamaica who have lost their life to murder. You understand? And counting the numbers this year, they are adding up again. You understand? And why is it that, I mean, it's not like they are separated apart and removed from the social problems facing the country, but generally speaking, you don't have 4 or 5 entertainers being murdered in any 1 year. So what is the situation really these artists or entertainers, why they are losing their lives? I'll try to explore that in an upcoming video. Zane, I just want to take the opportunity to say condolences to the family and friends of Corey Mineral Boss Jones. I mean, it's sad when any Jamaican lose their lives in anywhere at all. Not because we are familiar with the name, we are going to make it look like, oh, you see me I say, but I mean, it's another brother, it's another Jamaican, it's another person who would have been victim to the scourge of crime gripping this country. You understand me I say? And we have to be concerned. You see me? So, and then peeps, I want to look at it from the next perspective, you know. I want all of the artists and my entertainers and for looking at them look at things here. You understand? As I say, you don't have to smoke without fire. And something are going on. See? And most of the artists them these days love profess badness and all of them something there. Is it? I mean, I ask a question and I leave it there. So, is it, and I'm not saying that Corey's death is related to anything, see? But is it a situation now where the music itself is catching up on the artists? I mean, know some people are going to say it's not like Corey was an artist where I do music where I promote certain lifestyle. But you don't have to do something for something to reach you. You understand? So is that the music now and the contents of the music down the years now catching up with these entertainers and persons associated with the dancehall space? I'll talk about that another time. You understand? So condolences again to family and friends of Corey. And the thing sad, yo, the thing really and truly sad. Boy, I tell you, it's rough.
That's how it goes on. We just link up with me dog Mineral Boss. You know, Gully Side Mineral Progress.
This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.